help.
Want some help? Go ahead, take both hands. Both hands.
What's that? What is that, Blake? That's a rabbit. Can you show Mama? And smile. Ooh, that's a terrible picture. Show Mama the peep and smile. That's a peep.
Easter's pretty cool, huh, bud?
Lots of sweet treats, huh, Blake?
And they all have to be eaten right now.
He's gonna get a huge sugar high and then crash.
Is this your Easter tree?
That's a neat tree, Blake.
Blake, can you look at Daddy and smile?
Don't bite your fingers, bite the peep.
Can you look at Daddy and smile? Love you, sweet guy.